Hi everyone. Today I want to discuss the use of underlays to help you develop your concepts. So here I've got some printouts of some rough CAD models, some really basic building blocks that I put together. I mean, you can use any CAD package. For these ones, I used Alias, but that's just because that's what I had with me at the time. And you can see here are some sort of basic cylinders arranged and cylinder cone and a little rectilinear composition. And what I did with these was I just took rough screenshots, quick screenshots, sorry, so you can actually still see the kind of the line work, the vertices on the surface. And I think that for me, that helps me using these as an underlay for sketching. So I quite like to see that line work on your CAD model. And what I did was I just downed the opacity to about 50% in Photoshop and printed these off. So pretty quick sort of method. And we'll just start by, I don't know if it's easy enough to see on the video, but when you put them underneath your paper, you'll actually be able to see through the paper, and you can actually get some of the line work, and this will help you sort of do your sketching. So say we wanted to maybe join these, join this cylinder, and you can see here I've even got the line work to sort of show me. You can pretend like these are maybe your contour lines. You can see them here, here. We can join the outside and then maybe use this as a contour line. To help describe that surface. And again, you know, that will wrap around the back there. We can join this one as well. I'm just doing this lightly at the moment just to kind of get it in. I can go over it later. But there you go, you've got something. So I can show you sort of what's happening with this now. That's sort of blending in. And for these, we can actually maybe draw in that contour line. So that's sort of a pretty basic example of what you can do with a kind of quick primitive CAD model. And you can do this, doesn't have to be a digital model. You can sort of photograph any kind of cardboard model or clay model as well. In the case of this rectilinear construction, I might actually just start to join them. You actually see that what I've done with these is when I printed them, I rendered the surface transparent. That's sort of I suppose the advantage of working with a CAD model, is that you can actually print a transparent surface, and that could help you with your ideas. So maybe with this one, Sort of see it there as well. And I'm going to cut it short. I don't need it to go that far. That's fine. Just careful not to lose where you were with it. When you're using it as an underlay, so you can sort of see with this one how, and again I'll just outline it for you so it's easier to see on the video. So all I did with this one was kind of added in these, kind of smoothed these transitions between them and linked the rectangles together, and then smoothed this one out. And I cut it short, so it would have been somewhere here. As well, when you're going through early ideation, you can actually just draw straight over these quick CAD models to develop your designs, just as I am now. And there's that one. So the nice thing as well about doing something like this is you can actually, it will help you with the rendering, so you can sort of see how you know, how these things might render up if you were to put some marker on. Yeah. Wish I had another color marker, but I'll just do this one lightly. So again, you can sort of see, pretty basic. I just want to sort of go through this one as well, just quickly. What I've done here is printed out these, so these cylinders are actually in pairs. They're the pairs there. So you can see how, yeah, these are both, there's 3 pairs there. And the reason I've done this is because sometimes it's just easier and quicker when you have two parallel objects. You want to get the position correct in space. It's quite tricky or quite time consuming sometimes to sort of work that out yourself. So what I usually do is set up some guides like this really quickly in CAD, and what you can see is just sort of helps with your perspective. So just takes out some of the guesswork. We'll just rough them in now, and then you can sort of see how the perspective is working on this. So maybe I'll take it out from there. You can sort of see what is going to help me draw is a pair of headphones. I'll just smooth them out to meet that. Again, smooth this one up. And so that's pretty quick, and you can sort of see I just used those there and helped me develop like a quick concept. I usually especially find this helpful when you're drawing something for the first time, so maybe something that you haven't drawn before, and you just want to get the positioning right and the space, make them look realistic. I usually find this method helps me do that. So yeah, I hope you too may find it useful. Cool, thank you.